Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're craving that golden, crispy perfection you just can't get from an air fryer, then you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into the best deep-fat fryers, perfect for whipping up everything from crispy fries and chicken wings to donuts and fish and chips right at home. These fryers combine power, precision, and safety features to give you restaurant-quality results with ease. All the product links are in the description below. So let's fire up the oil and find the perfect deep-fat fryer for your kitchen.
Number 5. Tefal Deep Fryer. Revolutionize your frying experience with Tefal's patented oil filtration system. It automatically filters and stores your oil in the provided oil box for future use, ensuring easy cleanup and cost savings. Plus, the built-in odor filter keeps your kitchen fresh and inviting. Precise temperature control. Achieve optimal frying results with precise temperature control ranging from 300 degrees Fahrenheit to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Whether you're frying chicken, fish, or vegetables, this deep fryer ensures that your food is fried to perfection, preserving its authentic flavors. Generous capacity. With a 3.5-liter oil capacity and a 2.65-pound food capacity, this deep fryer is designed to cater to gatherings of up to 6 people. Enjoy uniform heating and perfect golden results every time, making meal preparation a breeze. Safe and effortless frying. Safety is paramount with the Tefal Deep Fryer. It features a locking lid, large viewing window, and cool touch handles for peace of mind during operation. The automatic shut-off function adds an extra layer of safety, ensuring worry-free frying every time. Ultra-easy cleaning. Cleaning up after frying has never been easier. The Tefal Deep Fryer comes with dishwasher-safe components, including the cooking basket, bowl, lid, and oil box. Experience the convenience of professional deep frying at home with the Tefal Easy Clean Pro. Number 4. Presto Fridaddy Electric Deep Fryer. The Presto Fridaddy Electric Deep Fryer boasts a compact design, measuring 8.38 inches in diameter, 8.13 inches in width, and 7.38 inches in height. This sleek appliance weighs a mere 3 pounds, making it easy to move and store in any kitchen. Powerful performance. With 1,200 watts of power, this deep fryer heats up quickly and maintains the optimal frying temperature automatically. Say goodbye to soggy fries and hello to perfectly crispy delights every time. Versatile cooking. Whether you're in the mood for French fries, crispy chicken, or battered onion rings, the Presto Fridaddy can handle it all. It can make up to 4 servings of French fries with just 4 cups of oil, making it an ideal choice for small gatherings or family meals. Convenient features. Equipped with a handy scoop, this deep fryer makes it easy to lift, drain, and serve your favorite fried foods. The non-stick surface ensures effortless cleanup, both inside and out. Plus, the snap-on lid allows you to store oil without worrying about spills or odors infiltrating your kitchen. The Presto Fridaddy Electric Deep Fryer offers the perfect combination of convenience, efficiency, and performance. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a novice cook, this versatile appliance will help you create mouth-watering fried dishes with ease. Say goodbye to messy frying pans and hello to the crispy perfection of the Presto Fridaddy. Number 3. Cuisinart 4-Quart Deep Fryer. Equipped with an 1800-watt immersion-style heating element, the Cuisinart Deep Fryer ensures fast heat-up and recovery times. Enjoy consistent and efficient frying performance for all your favorite foods. Endless cooking options. From crispy potatoes and onion rings to succulent seafood, tender chicken, and even indulgent donuts, this deep fryer offers endless possibilities. Explore a variety of recipes and treat your taste buds to a world of flavors. Generous capacity. With a large 4-quart capacity, this deep fryer can cook up to 2.3 pounds of food in one batch. Whether you're cooking for family gatherings or hosting a dinner party, you'll have plenty of room to satisfy everyone's cravings. Included accessories. The Cuisinart Deep Fryer comes complete with essential accessories for hassle-free frying. A heavy stainless steel basket with a cool touch handle ensures safe and easy handling of your fried foods. Additionally, the removable enamel-coated oil container with a pouring spout simplifies cleanup after each use. Limited 3-year warranty. For added peace of mind, the Cuisinart Deep Fryer is backed by a limited 3-year warranty. Refer to the user manual for troubleshooting steps and questions regarding warranty policies. Rest assured, this product is BPA-free, prioritizing your safety and satisfaction. Number 2. Hamilton Deep Fryer Review. Are you searching for a deep fryer that can handle large batches of deliciously crispy food with ease? Look no further than the Hamilton Beach Triple Basket Electric Deep Fryer. With a generous 4.7 quart oil capacity, this deep fryer allows you to fry up to 12 cups of food at once. From golden French fries to crispy chicken tenders, you can prepare all your favorite foods in one go. Splatter-free frying. Say goodbye to messy splatters and hello to hassle-free frying. The vented lid of the Hamilton Beach Deep Fryer prevents splatter while allowing you to keep an eye on your food as it cooks through the convenient view window. Versatile cooking options. Equipped with 3 baskets, including a 12-cup basket and 2 6-cup baskets, this deep fryer offers unparalleled versatility. Fry 1 or 2 foods simultaneously and easily drain away excess oil with the chrome-plated baskets. Easy assembly and cleanup. Assembling and cleaning the fryer is a breeze. Hand wash the removable heating element in warm soapy water, while the oil pot, baskets, and lid are dishwasher safe for effortless cleanup after frying. Restaurant quality results. Experience restaurant quality food in the comfort of your own kitchen with the powerful 1800-watt immersed heating element. It fries food quickly and evenly, ensuring flawless results every time. Convenient and safe. The Hamilton Beach Deep Fryer is designed with convenience and safety in mind. A breakaway cord prevents tipping if snagged, while the adjustable temperature dial and ready light provide absolute temperature control for perfect cooking results. The Hamilton Beach Triple Basket Electric Deep Fryer offers versatility, efficiency, and convenience for all your frying needs. Number 1. Cuisinart Compact Deep Fryer. The Cuisinart Compact Deep Fryer features a sleek stainless steel construction, measuring 14.75 inches in diameter, 10.8 inches in width, and 12.8 inches in height. Despite its compact size, it boasts a generous 2-quart oil capacity, perfect for cooking up to 1.3 pounds of your favorite foods in small batches. Versatile cooking options. From crispy potatoes and onion rings to seafood, chicken, and tempura, this deep fryer can handle a variety of dishes with ease. Whether you're hosting a gathering or preparing a family meal, the Cuisinart Deep Fryer ensures delicious results every time. Easy operation. Equipped with a temperature control dial, this deep fryer makes operation simple and straightforward. The removable 1500-watt immersion-style heating element ensures fast heat up and heat recovery, allowing you to fry your favorite foods quickly and efficiently. Convenient accessories. Included with the Cuisinart Deep Fryer is a stainless mesh basket with a cool touch handle, making it easy to safely lower and lift your food in and out of the hot oil. Cleanup is a breeze thanks to the removable heating element and dishwasher-safe components. The Cuisinart CDF 130 Compact Deep Fryer offers the perfect combination of performance, versatility, and convenience. Whether you're craving crispy fries, crunchy onion rings, or golden fried seafood, this deep fryer delivers delicious results with ease.